Hi friends, welcome back. Now we'll be doing problem 7c. This is pretty much similar to 7b, but we'll see what's the difference here. So let's start solution. And as I told earlier, so this is a simple 2 marks problem, so we don't need to repeat the problem or write given because that is already given in the question, right? You just need to write the process or write the answer. So we can start directly. We can start by taking the LCM, right? And if we look at the denominator here, they are two different terms, so nothing is common in between them. So if nothing is common, then we just multiply those two factors and get the LCM. So I hope everyone knows how to find the LCM of these kind of factors. And in this case, the LCM will be c plus d times c minus d. And after taking the LCM, what we do is we multiply the expression with the missing factor. For example, for this case, I'll explain it during this process. So we have c square plus cd plus d square, right? This is the first expression we have, and I'll also write c square minus cd plus d square here. So these are the two expressions separated by a plus sign in between. And we let me just write the LCM over here. So LCM is c plus d times c minus d. So what we have to do is, since for this one, first one, c square plus cd plus d square, there was only c plus d at first, right? There was no c minus d when we started. So we have to multiply this term with c minus d. So let me write it c minus d plus the same case for this one. So when we started, so there was no c plus d. So we have to multiply it with c plus d. So we are just balancing things here. Okay, so the basic lies in balancing the numerator and denominator. So it is doing the problem of 3 4 5 standard problems. Like I'll take 1 second just to explain how this happens. For example, so 5 by 4 and 3 by whatever you want to say 2. Okay, now if we want to make the denominator same or the LCM same, what we do is we multiply this expression by the same term up and down. So it will make it 6 and 4 down here, right? And we should balance it. We cannot just simply multiply at the denominator. We have to multiply it to the numerator so that the fraction is always 1. And now the denominator is same, that means the LCM is same, and we can now compare and add or subtract easily these two numbers. We are doing the same thing here. So and these two expressions are nothing but the formula. So this is c minus d, c square plus cd minus cd plus d square is c cube minus d cube, and the second term is c cube plus d cube, right? We have already written down this formula, c plus d times c minus d, and these two terms cancels, and whatever we are left is 2c cube times c. We can just write c plus d c minus d, or c square minus d square, a plus b a minus b. So this is our answer. All right, pretty simple. So if we know how to take the LCM, then this problem is not actually a problem. So it's pretty simple, but you have to be very careful of the sign. So in this case, we have to only deal with the positive sign here. And the other thing you need to be very careful is while using this formula. Uh, in this case, we have just switched the sides of these factors, right? In our normal formula, it used to be a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, but it is quite opposite here. But the thing is the same. You should know this thing. All right. Good luck.